Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's project is a fun skeleton Halloween tabletop decor using carvable pumpkins from the Dollar Tree.
Here is the list of supplies that we use to make this fun Halloween pumpkins with skeletons.
You will need a glue gun and glue sticks or an instant glue, whatever you prefer. You will need an X-Acto knife or a craft cutting tool. You will need two Dollar Tree carvable pumpkins, a paintbrush, an empty toilet paper roll, some plastic or rubber skeletons. We use these apple barrel paints, territorial beige for the stem, spiced carrot for the bottom pumpkin, and nectarine for the inner top pumpkin. You will also need Mod Podge and a black Sharpie.
We sliced off the top of one of the pumpkins. This is what it looks like after we remove the top portion.
Next, we painted the inside of the cut pumpkin with a nectarine color paint, as well as the toilet paper roll. We used the same color nectarine for both items.
Then we glued the toilet paper roll to the inside bottom of the cut pumpkin. Next, we glued the first skeleton's little head to the inner rim of the pumpkin, as well as his hands. Then we cut this little guy in half so that he would fit well, and then glued his chest portion to the inner wall of the pumpkin.
Now would be a good time to glue the lid of the pumpkin onto the toilet paper roll. This little escape artist was glued to the outer rim of the pumpkin, and then we glued the side of his head to the lid, as well as one of his hands.
Next, we cut this skeleton in half, glued his chest to the inner wall of the pumpkin, and glued his hand to the upper lid. Next, we attached this successful little guy to the outside bottom half of the pumpkin. We wanted it to look like he was either climbing down or climbing back up after a successful candy corn heist.
Remove the stem from the other pumpkin. This will be your bottom pumpkin.
We gave the uncut bottom pumpkin a coating of spiced carrot color paint, and then once dry, a coating of Mod Podge. We painted the stem on the cut pumpkin containing the skeletons, the territorial beige color, and then we glued the cut pumpkin with the skeletons onto the other pumpkin. Then we added a few leaves to the lid of the cut pumpkin, and finally we drew a jack-o'-lantern face on the bottom pumpkin using a black Sharpie.
We think these little guys are hilarious. No bones about it. This simple and fun DIY is spooktacular.
We thank you for watching, and remember, in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.
Thanks for watching Two Utes Transplanted.